Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if Diskpart has encountered an error. The parameter is incorrect. I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve that issue. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu, type in File Explorer, go ahead and open that up, and select this PC on the left side. Right click on the hard drive you're having the problem with. So let's say it's a USB flash drive. Go ahead and right click on it and select where it says show more options. Select the properties button and then select the tools tab and then error checking. This option will check the drive for file system errors. And go ahead and select the check button and then select scan drive. And if it's able to detect and repair anything, hopefully it would be able to resolve the problem for you. Close out of there. And now if something else, we can also open up the search menu, type in CMD. Best match will come back with command prompt. Right click on it and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now go ahead and type in SFC space / scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and close out of here and then restart your computer. And there you go, guys. So hopefully at this point that has been able to help resolve your issue. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.